Good morning, everybody. How are you from Texas on a beautiful sunny March day? We are heading straight west this morning. We certainly are, and it's a gorgeous day to explore, drive, put on some miles, and get a little closer to the destination. Indeed. I washed Miranda this morning. She's looking all good. I will mention that as per some of the comments coming in about, Angela needs to talk more, Eric. You need to involve her more, Eric. She needs to make more videos, Eric. This, that. Like, guys, this is still my channel. Me and Jax. And you and I and nobody out there can make Angela do anything. As long as she's comfortable and happy and doing her own thing, that's all we can ask for right now, guys. So I am not pressuring anybody to do anything, and I am kind of not listening to the mean people who are telling both of us what to do right now. I'm sorry, but you have to respect our lives. Angela is a part of my personal life. She is not taking on responsibility of being a co-vlogger on this particular channel. She does have her own channel, and if you want to hear from her, go over to her channel and talk to her there. Sound good? She's behind me in the van because we still got to drive to her family member to drop off her van. So that's what we're doing today, heading west. Woohoo! Taking a little break. Look at this cute town of Olney, Texas. Got old Miranda parked just like I would have parked Yoda. Easy. I don't stick out or anything. It works. That wasn't so hard. Why does everybody say that's going to be so hard? It's a pretty unique old town, actually. Established 1972 as the one-armed dove hunt. I googled this, and it looks like every weekend after Labor Day, this city welcomes all of the one-armed people to come shoot doves.
It wasn't me. It was the one-armed man.
Interesting, different, but hey, you gotta be known for something, right? So that's what Olney is known for. Cute little western Texas town. Coffee. Hey, hello, hi, welcome, make yourself at home. Got our coffee. What'd you get?
Vanilla latte.
And a hometown mocha. Oh, it's good. All right, back on the road, west. Did you tell Dad you needed a break? So Dad, pull over. I need a break. For right now, Jax he's sitting right up here, hanging out. He doesn't really care for the seat. Sorry for the mess, kiddies. I know, we had to put stuff there because I haven't figured every little piece of this out, but this is about as good as you can get with Jax and Drizzy. They're both older cats, and they both just kind of put up with each other and hopefully respect each other's space, but yeah. Until Jax gets up in Drizzy's face, everything's usually okay. You guys, we're taking a break. You guys gotta go potty? It's all about putting on the miles today. Not a whole lot of places to stop, but we did find a little rest area to stretch and take a pee. Drizzy, what do you think, man? What are you doing over here? It's crazy windy, huh? Oh, man. I mean crazy windy. I'm holding a tight grip on the steering wheel. I forgot what it's like driving west. It is insanely headstrong wind gusts. But we are taking a new route. I have never taken you along this route, this way. So this is all new scenery and everything. Just the wind. Woo! Kind of pretty, I guess. A little canyon in there, okay. We're gonna drive about 100 miles more west, and then we'll have lunch. Let Jax come outside and stretch his little kitty paws, but gotta do some more driving first. Let's see, we're here in the city of Rawls, Texas, and we have another world's largest This is the world's largest jackrabbit, or as Jax would call the Jaxrabbit. We'll call it that. I saw one of these on Route 66 a couple years ago, I think, yeah. Hand carved out of a big old tree. I'm not sure how tall he stands, but he's looking good. Oh, he's the mascot of Rawls. Okay, that makes sense. All right, cool. I'm impressed, Texas. It wouldn't be the first time. We all know Texas is very welcoming to travelers, RVers. I just found this by mistake. Angela's dropping the van off right now, and I pulled into here literally on accident. Hang on, we'll come back to this. I'm gonna show you the sign. Crosbyton, overnight free RV parking. 2 nights free, additional nights $10. Thank you, Crosbyton. Wow. So we'll call it partial hookups because they've got water and 30 amp, and I'll use my adapter. And I got the stabilizer levelers down, the awning's out, slides are out, and it's probably too windy for the awning. I'm probably gonna put it back up. There's a donation box up front, and I'm guessing that's why the pool has been closed for quite a while. Let's just be honest here. What a cool park. I love Texas. Little Route 66 type of bow and arrow in the ground. That is simply awesome. I love it. Boy, do I miss Route 66. I'm gonna put 2 links in the video description in case you guys wanna go on a YouTube binge and either forgot or haven't seen my Route 66 in 66 days playlist or my Lincoln Highway in 3 months playlist. Those will be in the video description below. As well as my chronological video. Some people say, why don't you number your videos, Eric? Well, actually, I put all of them in a playlist. You just click play, start wherever you want, skip. They go one after the other in the order they were uploaded. That's also in the video description, guys. Seriously? You're gonna roll around in the Texas dirt. You are the biggest putz. Hold on, look at my butt. Look at my butt. Does that fresh air feel good, though? You wanna hang out here for a bit? All right, man. Anything else? Okay, you let me know. Yeah, so Angela's here now. We talked it over and said this is a fine place to overnight. We put on a lot of miles today, so we'll just drop her van off tomorrow instead. Yeah. Jax, man, you want to hop up? Why don't you hop up? Good boy. What a good boy. How's your cat day going? Pretty normal? Just kind of laid back? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Got the oven preheating, gonna whip up a chicken burger and some tater tots, because I'm not a tater hater. Jax isn't a tater hater. No, some people are though. Just saying, just saying. Oh yeah, and oh yeah. I don't know what that is though. Look at Jax up there. Him so funnies. Guess what arrived? LED lights, LED bulbs for the current fixtures. These are 921s, Auto 921. A 20-pack for $12 on Amazon. Yes, they're from China. They're all from China. Oh, but Eric, they're going to give you problems. Well, there's no other way to do it right now because Camping World sells two bulbs for $50 or 20 for $12. So I got 2 packets of these because we actually have 34 bulbs to swap out in the RV. So first of all, these are the incandescent ones that are 5 watts a piece. Each bulb is 5 watts and they get so hot. They're so bad for boondocking. So compare that light. Well, first of all, these are 0.8 watts. 0.8, 5. So you're really going to save energy. That's what it looks like. Now, for whatever reason, a previous owner or the dealer put in 2 LED bulbs right here. But this is that bright, white, unnatural color that makes everything blue almost in the RV. You see the difference? So, let me swap in these and see the difference between incandescents and these little LEDs. All right, they're in. Can you see them? That's what the LED bulbs look like. Let me put this cover on so it's the same test. So again, stock, incandescents, there's the LEDs. They are brighter, but that is a warm white. Not a bright white, but a warm bright. I don't know if you can tell, they are brighter, and they're a fraction of the power consumption, and those are the stock ones. And again, these are the ones that were on previously that I don't like. And those are the only two bulbs, that's the only fixture that came with it like that. I like this. So, I'll swap every bulb in this RV with these new 0.8 watt LEDs. We'll test them out. Not gonna give you a model number or anything until I've given it a few months and tested them out, because we'll just have to wait and see how they last, okay? Cool. So we're starting off right now with cats on the table, huh? We're just not even gonna pretend like cats aren't allowed on the table? I don't know about you, Jax. I know, but I just don't know about you. Alright, man. What are you doing over there, honey?
I'm editing a video.
Angela might have a new video soon. Sounds good. Gonna call it a night here, guys. Again, if you want to see more behind the scenes footage, you can join me on Patreon. You can become my patron. And I have a bunch of new patrons. I will put their names over here. Thanks so much, guys. Them and more are enjoying some extra posts and videos and some extra content, some behind the scenes bloopers, Jax stuff, the integration of Drezzy and Jax, how that is all going. And there's also some other tiers where you can get a signed postcard from me from the road, personalized, or a signed picture, or even become an executive producer of this channel. So go check out Patreon in the video description below, or a little annotation at the end of this video, as well as a bunch of my playlists in the video description. Guys, have a great night. Jax and I, Angela and Drezzy, will see you very soon on West. Bye-bye.